All right, here we go. Let's go back to the calendar today. Today is Wednesday, November 4th. Let's see what's behind curtain number 4. Mr. M, can you tell us what time it is?
3:30, I think.
And do you think it's still AM or do you think it's PM yet?
Well, there's still the stars and the moon, so it looks like it's still in the morning, early morning, so it's AM.
Okay, so it's AM and we can agree that it is past the 3 but not to the 4. And 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 is also what fraction of
It's
60?
part of a minute.
It's, right?
It is the 60 minutes, so 30 minutes is half of 60, so it's equal to 1/2.
Half of
Half of an hour, so it's
Yes.
1/2 hour.
So while we're kind of talking about fractions and clocks, Mr. M, what other benchmark fractions are good to know when you're talking about time? So we said half is a good one. What
So
else?
if the big hand's on the 9 or the 12 or the 3 or the 6, that is like when you cut a pizza up into 4 pieces.
Right.
So that would be quarters.
Quarters or
Yeah.
fourths, right? Because we say quarter past,
Right.
half past, quarter till.
Right.
All right. Yes,
Are we
Mr.
having pizza for lunch today?
I think it's orange chicken. Well, so let's look at from Tuesday to Wednesday, how much time has gone by between these 2 days? Do you need a little clock, Mr. M?
Yes, do you have one?
I do. Here you go. So what I would do is first I'd put it at 2:40. Oop, nope, that's 3:40. 2:40. And I would go
Is that 20?
2:20. Start at 2:20, Mr. M.
2:20, got it?
And then, yeah, and we're gonna go all the way around to 2:40 and see how much time's gone by. So if we do that together,
3:30? We're going to
there's
3:30?
1 hour. Oop, that's 1 hour. And then 5 and 10.
So that's 3:30.
Yes.
So we went from 2:20 to 3:30.
Yep.
I think I know how much it is.
How much time do you think that is, Mr. M?
I think it's 1 hour and 10 minutes.
I agree. Okay.
And you can also say 3:30 when you get to 3:30,
You can.
because that's 1/2 of an hour.
Yes, you're right.
30 minutes is half of 60. All right, yeah.
Great. So now we're going to keep track of how much time has gone by. Now, we can do this 2 ways, right? We can do it the efficient way, or we could just see it together. So we can either add 1 hour plus 1 hour plus 1 hour, or we could add 10 minutes and 10 minutes and 10 minutes to get the total amount of elapsed time, or we could take the time we've already figured out for the elapsed time, which we know from Sunday, November 1st until Tuesday, November 3rd, we know a total of 2 hours and 10 minutes have gone by, so we can start with that. Do you agree, Mr. M? Can we start with 2 hours and 20 minutes because we already know how much time has gone by over these 3 days?
Yes.
Okay. So now, having some technical difficulty over here. So we have 2 hours and 20 minutes. I'm going to put mins because I wrote a little big. Do you know what mins stands
That's
for?
an abbreviation. My mother told me that that's an abbreviation for minutes, and HRS is an abbreviation for hours.
Yep, I agree with that also. So to this, we're going to add the time in between the 3rd and the 4th. And you told me that it was 1 hour and 10 minutes.
Yes.
We are adding. There we go. This is what your number sentence would look like. So, Mr. M,
Yes.
can you please make sure all four are on the floor? You don't want anyone to fall. How many hours has gone by? Or let's start with the minutes. How many minutes?
20 and 10, so if you count by 10, that's 30.
Yeah, I
30
agree.
minutes.
30 minutes. Can you please not tip over in your chair? How many hours altogether?
3 hours.
So, total lapse time from Sunday, November 4th, to Sunday, November 1st to Wednesday, November 4th, altogether is,
3 hours and 30 minutes.
you got it. Oh my goodness, are you okay? Do you
I
need,
think so.
do you need to go to the nurse?
I think my mask is bleeding.
Oh, here, do you need a Band-Aid?
Yes. Thank you.
Are you sure?
It's blue.
It's blue like your mask. I think you should
I'm
go.
okay.
I really think you should go to the nurse.